There's a lot of misconceptions about HRT. And one of the biggest myths is that HRT causes breast cancer. And I think a lot of that came about from a large study called the Women's Health Initiative that got a lot of publicity. And it was published 20 years ago. Now that was a long time ago, and since then, there have been studies done that have looked at different formulations of hormones, as well as the women in that study have been followed out to the present day to see their associated risks. And what we actually know is that the types of hormones we use now, these bioidentical formulations, are actually much safer. So risk differs depending on different hormones, and that these hormones that we use nowadays may not have a higher risk of breast cancer at all. And one of the most interesting things is that estrogen alone has been found to be safer than we originally thought. So the most recent studies have shown that estrogen alone, not only does it not increase the risk of breast cancer, but it actually is associated with a decreased risk.